Deep within Earth's crust, microscopic creatures live in an extreme environment, defying all odds. These organisms thrive in temperatures that would instantly kill most known life forms on our planet. In fact, scientists discovered a type of bacteria, Pyrolobus fumarii, that can survive in water with temperatures up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Its ability to endure such extreme conditions challenges our understanding of life's fundamental requirements. For centuries, scientists have studied the Earth's crust, and the discovery of these microorganisms has opened doors to new knowledge. Imagine a world where life can exist in the most inhospitable environments, and you begin to understand the complexity of our planet's ecosystem. This phenomenon occurs when organisms adapt to their surroundings, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. The conditions on Earth's surface are far more hospitable than those found deep within the crust. Organisms like Pyrolobus fumarii have evolved unique strategies to survive, such as producing enzymes that protect them from the extreme heat. But that's not the strangest part. These microorganisms have also been found to be highly efficient in converting energy. They can produce ATP, the energy currency of life, at a rate that's orders of magnitude faster than their surface-dwelling counterparts. This remarkable ability has significant implications for our understanding of life's basic processes. However, the extreme conditions on Earth's surface also pose a threat to these microorganisms. Imagine a world where volcanic eruptions or earthquakes disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The consequences for these microorganisms would be catastrophic, with the potential for extinction on a massive scale. And then something unexpected happened. Scientists discovered that these microorganisms can also contribute to the Earth's geochemical cycles. Their unique metabolism allows them to break down and recycle nutrients, playing a crucial role in shaping our planet's geology. This realization has broadened our understanding of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Scientists have long recognized the importance of microorganisms in the Earth's ecosystem. However, the discovery of these deep-crust organisms has forced us to reevaluate our understanding of life's fundamental principles. It's like discovering a new language, one that reveals a hidden world of complexity and beauty. The study of these microorganisms has sparked a new wave of research into the Earth's crust. Imagine a future where we can harness the energy generated by these microorganisms to power our cities. But for now, we continue to learn from these incredible creatures and the secrets they hold. Their existence challenges our assumptions about life's adaptability and the Earth's resilience. And as we continue to explore the depths of our planet, we may uncover even more surprises. The story of these deep-crust organisms is a testament to the awe-inspiring complexity of life on Earth. Their tale serves as a reminder of the many mysteries still waiting to be uncovered. As we reflect on the significance of these microorganisms, we are reminded of the importance of continued exploration and discovery. This journey of discovery is not just about understanding the Earth's crust, but also about our place within the universe. The universe is full of mysteries, and the study of these microorganisms is a reminder of the wonders that await us. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Discovery, join us on our journey of discovery as we explore the hidden corners of our universe.
Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.